How can you tell where information on the web is coming from? A website's address, or URL, and internet domain can tell you a lot about the type of information on that website. Commercial websites offer information, products, and services to purchase. This domain is one of the largest on the web and can include health company websites like WebMD and news media companies such as the New York Times. .gov websites come from the U.S. state and federal governments, and they are highly regulated. They contain statistical reports, departmental and agency resources, legislative and legal documents, and information about state and federal governments. Examples are the Vermont State website and the National Institutes of Health website. Organizational websites are not as strictly regulated. They can be owned by any nonprofit or for-profit organization. They represent any type of social, environmental, religious, political, or educational group. Some examples are the American Heart Association website and Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia website that any internet user can edit. Educational websites are from colleges and universities. They can also represent personal websites if faculty or students publish web pages on their institution's internet domain. One easy way to identify a personal website on this domain is if a tilde appears in the URL. When you conduct a web search, your results will be a combination of websites from lots of different domains. The first few results are typically ads. Most search engines place ads in prominent places. Companies and organizations pay search engines money to have their websites located toward the top of the search results and in the ads sections of the results pages. Before you select a website from your search results, keep an eye out for these different types of domains so you know the type of information you can expect to find.